Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you seeing my face for the first time, my name is Sophia. Welcome on board. Please, in case you've not subscribed, kindly click on the subscription button and the post notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So this is like making my hair at 38 weeks at home, 38 weeks pregnant. Our baby will be here any moment from now, any moment from anytime, I don't know, but I hopefully it comes soon. So I just decided to make this hair. So if you want to see how I jungled around making this hair, please sit back, relax, and watch to the end of this video. I'm sure it's going to be helpful. It's not a stressful process. I decided to just do this hair at home because I don't want to go and sit anywhere, and I urinate like every second, so I just wanted to just stay at home. So anytime I finish the hair, I'll finish. No, I'm not under pressure. I'm not sitting under anybody. Anytime I'm pressed, I can just go away and come back and all of those stuff. But yeah, so straight into the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're done. Um, the hair is not ready at all. I like it. So final thing we just to add my edge control, and that will be it. I'll install. I'm not going anywhere now, so I won't be adding edge control in this video, because after this hair I'm definitely going to lie down, so I won't add edge control or gel or anything to my hair. So I'll just install this one. Thank you for watching till this time. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button and the post notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the video is helpful, and I hope you will try making your hair at home when you're bored or you have fox locks to try. So I didn't make it so tight because of my body is already going through a lot of discomfort, lack of sleep. A child is moving up and down, kicking me 24 hours in my stomach. So I didn't want the hair to be so tight. So that is why it's like this. And yes, so that will be it. The hair is very, very super light, like very light. Like it's very, very light and very comfy. I like it. It gives the whole girly vibe.